Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sew It Yourself. This is the measurement I am using. You can change it according to your requirement. For today's project, I am going to show you how to cut and stitch a cap top for choli. For that, I have taken a 1 meter silk fabric, lining fabric and a half meter net fabric. I am folding the fabric with wires, which is 4 layers. Mark half inch and draw a straight line to cut the raw edges. Width of the choli is 9 inch. Length of the choli is 20.5 inch. Shoulder is 5.5 inches. So mark from the closet side. Neck width is 3 inches. Armhole depth is 6 inches. I am joining these points. Mark half inch for shoulder slope. I am joining these points. From the shoulder, mark 6 inch. This is your chest measurement. Then shoulder to waist measurement. This is 10 inches. From this point, mark 16 inches. I am extending these points. In my measurement, chest is 7 inches. So I am marking 7 inches. I am deducting half inch less from the chest. So my waist measurement is 6.25 inches. I am marking 2 inch extra for seam allowance. I am marking half inch from the center, then I am drawing a armhole curve. This is a back armhole curve. Now I am going to mark front armhole curve. I am going to attach the sides up to this point. After that there will be slit. I am marking 3 inches for both front and back. Then I am joining these points. I am marking a U neckline. Now I am joining these points. Draw a slight curve in the bottom. This is the plain silk fabric, so I am going to do small embroidery work in it. Then I will trim the fabric. I finished the embroidery at the front portion. This is how it looks. Now I am placing the front portion on the back portion. I am going to cut it. Firstly, I will cut the back armhole. Similarly, I will place the main fabric on the lining, then I will cut it. I will trim the neck after stitching. Now I will trim the front armhole for both main fabric and lining. I have taken a net fabric. I am folding the fabric widthwise. So both the edges are closed edges. I am placing the lining on the net fabric, leaving half inch for shoulder attachment. Then I am tracing the neck width in the net fabric. From this point, mark 9 inch. Now I am joining these points. I am going to cut it. This is how it looks. With this, cutting is complete. Now let's start stitching. I have taken a front piece and the lining fabric. Now I will stitch the neck. I finished the stitching, so I am trimming the neck. Give notches all over the neck. I finished turning the lining at the back side. Now I will attach the main fabric with the lining. Firstly, I will fold the lining and I am giving a stitch. Now I am attaching the lining with the main fabric. I finished attaching the front portion. Similarly, for back portion, I will finish the neckline. Now, I am folding the back portion. From this point, mark 3 inches. Then, give a slit from the center. Now I will attach this. I finished attaching. Now I will give a small cuts. I am turning the fabric. I will attach the main fabric with the lining now. I finished attaching. I am placing the back portion on the front portion. Now I will attach the shoulder. Finished attaching the shoulder. Using the bias tape, I am going to finish the armhole. Similarly, I will finish for the other side. I am placing the net fabric on the main fabric. I will give a stitch along the neck. Always pin the fabric before you stitch. I finished attaching. Now I am going to trim this. I will give a stitch here, then I will turn it. I will give a top stitch now. This is how it looks. I will attach both the sides and the slits. Then I will fold and stitch. I am attaching the sides till the slit. I am turning the fabric. Now I am folding it and give a stitch. Fold the fabric twice and give a stitch. Stitch till the end, then turn the needle and fold the fabric and give a stitch. Now I am folding the bottom and giving a stitch. I am attaching the lace at the bottom of the knit fabric. With this, stitching is complete. Thanks for watching.